Hello, in this video we will talk about one kind of data visualization method. This is called stem and leaf plots. It is a quite easy method but very effective to show descriptive data if the data observations say not very large but also not very small. So it is possible to small to moderate size the data. So we can use stem and leaf plot. It will show in a plot, or say it's like very close to a table, to show all the data observations with the stem and the leaf. So first, we will divide the data into two parts. Divide each observation into two parts, the stem and its leaf. For example, the value is 62, this observation, so we can take 6 as a stem and a leaf 2. So for this data observation, we will say 6 true. So it will apply the same method to all observations. So next we show an example. This table lists the monthly and yearly average minimum temperatures in USA cities. So on the right side, there is a long list for the average temperature for each city. So we can show this average data with stem and leaf plots. So first, we take a look at this list of data. You see the 10th digits from about 2 to 7, because we do not show odd data here. Then we can use 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as stem. And for each observation, each average data, then we take the unit and the first decimal. These 2 digits is a whole unit for the leaf. So for example, for 70, so the stem is 7 and 0.0 is the leaf. And for the 69.0, we take stem is 6 and 9.0 as the leaf. And because most of the data lie between between 30 and 50, so we can take 3, 4, 5 this stem and many other data belonging to this category will have their corresponding unit and first decimal parts as their corresponding leaves. So for the 5 stem, there are about 9 observations, and for the 4, there are about 13 observations. So which means 40, 41, 42.4, 43.6, and so on. And this rule applies to stem 3 and 2. So stem and leaf passed very good for the data, like about, for example, 50 observations, 50 to 80, but usually not over 100. Thanks for watching.